Hello, this is Seth from Northland Dodge in Prince George, and today we're taking a look at a 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. Under the hood we have a 3.2-liter V6 engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. This guy's in billet silver, looks great. You do have your halogen headlights there with the chrome accenting on your grille, and coming around the side here we do have our 17-inch rims with our tires that are Firestone brand tires. Look great. You have your heated exterior mirrors right there. And coming all the way around to the back of the vehicle, you got the SXT badging, the Dodge Grand Caravan, and your backup camera there. You can open it up right here just like this. Lots of room back here, very spacious. They are stow and go seats as well, so all you got to do is you just got to pull on these guys in order. So you go number 1, number 2, 3 is right here, and 4 is this guy. Folds it right into the floor like this. Then you got even more room. You can do the same with the other side, and then you got lots and lots of room. Okay, we have our keys here, 2 presses to unlock, 1 press to lock, and our panic button up there. But let's unlock and let's take a look on the inside. So on the door here, you do have electric mirrors, windows, and locks all right here. You got your chrome accenting. This one opens up the windows, or kind of opens up the windows in the back. Handle here, storage, and some more down there. Looks great in here. Very comfortable seats. The cloth is very nice and soft. You do also have the controls over your seats here, backward and forward, as well as tilt and lumbar support. Then up here we got the controls over lights, so the off, daytime running lights and low beams, as well as our in-cabin light control there. And right up here we got the control over the turning signals, windshield wipers, and high beams. Okay, let's start her up. Key in the ignition, and we're good to go. Now right in the center here we do have our speedometer and our odometer, as well as our fuel gauge and engine temperature. Right in the center there we do have how many kilometers we have, 42,000, not too bad at all. We can switch that around to our trip A and B, as well as we do have our distance till empty, our kilometers, liters per 100 kilometers, temperature outside, and back to our kilometers. Now that is controlled from right here with your voice recognition and call out for your Bluetooth, horn in the center, and cruise control options right there. Around the back of the steering wheel you got a volume up and down with a source changer. And then right in the center here we do have our 6.5-inch touchscreen display. Looks great. You got your AM, FM, and Sirius XM all in there, as well as you got your voice recognition and call out for your Bluetooth. You got your radio, you got your media button here if you have anything hooked up. It does also have the hard disk drive in it, so you can load music straight onto here. You got this guy here that loads in your CD right behind there. Nice and hidden for you. Then you do have your menu button right here, your audio, files, there's USB plug-in, and you do also have your aux cord. And when you are in reverse, you got the ever-useful backup camera, keeping you nice and safe. Then down here in the climate control, we have where it's going to blow out of. We have our temperature control. It is a dual climate for you and your passenger, so you can have different levels of hot or cold. You got your AC, your circulation, and the power. You also have the rear climate controls. Econ mode, you have your hazard lights, your outlet there. Then you also have your traction control. Some storage here, cup holders right there. You got some more cup holders right over there. And then a dual layer glove box with a locking glove box just down there. And then up top we do have our sunglass holder right there with our lights. Let's take a look in the back, open this guy up. Looks fantastic in here. You do have your seats. They are the same material as the front, very comfortable. Does seat 7 people altogether. As well, you do have your rear climate control right there. And you do also have your DVD player or your 9-inch screen right there with your controller. Now, these are also stow and go seats, so all you gotta do is pull this guy up here and lift this up. Then you just gotta pull on this guy right here and it folds right into the floor. Then you can fold this back over top. Then you got even more room. You can do it with all the seats, and then you have a lot of room. You also have your seats just back here as well. So you have your cup holders back here and 3 seats. And there's our 3.6-liter V6 engine. Well, that does it for my walk-around video of the 2016 Dodge Grand Caravan SXT. If you want to come and take a closer look for yourself, take it for a test drive, come on down to Northland Dodge in Prince George and talk to our sales specialists. Thanks for watching.